How many cranes and swans? Well, they are very pretty birds. There are 31 cranes and 39 swans. Now let us find out how many swans and cranes are there in all. We'll add the number of swans and cranes as 31 plus 39 can be given as. So number of swans 39, number of cranes 31. Putting all ones together, we get 10 ones. That makes 110. So no one remains. So we can write 0 in the box below. Now put all tens together, we get 7 tens. So write 7 in the box below. Therefore, the total number of swans and cranes is 70. Kids, do you know we can also solve it without writing? Let me tell you how. Give 1 from 31 to 39 and get 40. And then add 40 plus remaining 30, that is 40 plus 30, which is 70. One morning, Suraj saw that out of 70 birds, only 26 were left. The rest had gone away. How many birds have gone away? Let's calculate. First, write it like this. Here, we cannot subtract 6 from 0. So, we'll open 110 from 7 to get 10 ones, and 6 tens are remaining. We can subtract 6 from 10 ones, so 4 ones remain. We can write 4 in the box below in ones column. Now subtract from tens column. Here we get 6 tens remaining. So we'll subtract 2 from 6 tens, we get 4 tens. Write 4 in the box below. You know what it means? It means 44 birds have gone away. Kids, it's practice time. Number 1. Rahul scored 23 runs in a cricket match and Dhoni scored 69, just like our Indian captain. How many runs did they make in all? Put all the ones together, we get 12 ones. Of these, we can make 110 and 2 ones remain. So, we can write 2 in the box below in ones column. Now put all tens together, we get 9 tens. So, write 9 in the box below. Therefore, together they've made 92 runs. Not bad. Number 3. Bunnu rabbit can eat 29 carrots in 1 week. Manu rabbit can eat 42 carrots in 1 week. Who eats more in a week and by how much? Of course, Manu rabbit can eat more carrots. To find out how many more carrots Manu eat, we can subtract carrots eaten by Bunnu from carrots eaten by Manu, which means 29 from 42, as we cannot subtract 9 from 2. So take 110 from 4 and then subtract. Now cross out 410 and write 3. And put 1 before 2 ones, it becomes 12. Now 12 minus 9 is 3. So write 3 in the box below. Now do subtraction from tens column. We can subtract 2 tens from 3 tens and get 1 tens. So write 1 in the box below, which means our answer is 13. Therefore, Manu eats 13 more carrots than Bunnu. Number 4. Neha is 29 years old. Her mother is 58 years old. How many years older is Neha's mother? To find the difference in age, we must subtract Neha's age from her mother's age. So let's write it as this. Here, take 1/10 from 5/10 and give 10 ones to 8 ones. We get 18 ones. Now subtract 9 from 18 ones. We get 9 ones. So write 9 in the box below. Now do subtraction in tens column. As 4 minus 2/10 is 2/10. So write 2 in the box below. We get 29. Therefore, Neha's mother is 29 years older than Neha.